Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I, Mohammad Murtaza, on behalf of whole MUSCM family, welcome you to the YouTube channel. MUSCM is an official computing student chapter of Medicaps University. We are a family of like-minded people who intend to make a difference in the society. Today's session is going to be a fantastic one because of the trending application called Discord. Some of you may not be familiar with it, so let me first introduce it. Discord is a voice over internet protocol instant messaging and digital distribution platform. Users communicate with voice calls, video calls, text messaging, media, and files in private chats or as part of communities called servers. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, to join our server, you will require our invite link. The link is already given in the description, or you can visit our website also. To visit, just open your browser and write medicaps.acm.org. Here you will get the link of all our handles. Just click on join Discord. You will be redirected to another page. If you already have the Discord app, you can close your browser and open it. Or to use the web version, just click on continue to Discord. I will use the Discord app, so I will close my browser and open my Discord app. Here you will see the login page of Discord.
So guys, if you already have a Discord account, you can log in and join our server. And if you don't have one, you have to register. Just click on register, write your email, username and password. So guys, here we got our invite here. Just click on join MUACM and you will join the server. So guys, we have joined the server and first of all you have to verify your email. Here we can see our welcome message. It shows two channels which are rules and information and community general. So first of all guys, you all have to read all the rules and information. Now we can go to the community general channel. Here you can connect with all the members of the club. And now other channels are event announcement. So guys, here you will get the information of all the upcoming events, and if you have doubt regarding any event, you can ask all of them in the event doubt section. Now other channels are write-ups. So guys, here you can share your blogs which you have written, and in resources you will get the links of some free courses. Okay, and now we have play with TGB. So TGB is the bot of MUACM. Its full form is the Great Bot of MUACM. Here you can play games with it. Okay guys, I hope it is clear up till now. Now the most important is how to join voice channels. Here you can see lounge. You can just click on it and you will be connected. You can see, and if you have to disconnect, just click here and you will be disconnected. We can listen music also. For that you have to first join a voice channel and go to music is love channel. Okay, here to play music you have to write TGB, play and song name, and when you are finished you can just write TGB DC. Okay guys, and to disconnect just click here. If you are a platinum member of our club, then you have access to other channel also. First of all, you have to read all the rules and information. Platinum members are entitled to have exclusive events for them. So all the information regarding that event will be shared on Platinum announcement channel. In Platinum General Chat, you can connect with all the Platinum members. In Platinum Network, you can share links of all your handles like Instagram, LinkedIn, GitHub and all. Now we have Platinum Resources. Platinum members have access to various resources such as free certificate courses, cheat sheet and other study material also. Platinum members also have access of two voice channels. First is Platinum Talks. All exclusive events for Platinum members are on Discord in the Platinum Talks channel. And second is Platinum Chill Time, in which you can connect with all the members and can have fun. This is it from my side. I hope this video is insightful and helpful for everyone. The invite and website link is given in the description. Hope to see you all in another amazing video. Till that, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, comment and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.